So remember when I told you guys you only need about 2 to 3 good trades every week to make a really good living trading Forex, right? So what you want to do, you want to look at all of your charts every Sunday before the market opens and look at what trades can give you the best opportunity for potential setups, right? So this is one of the pairs that I looked at, the USD JPY. And the reason why I looked at this pair, because obviously this is what I saw yesterday. This big candle right here. This big candle right here is what I saw. Everyone knows, if you've been watching the markets right now, the USD is actually getting its butt kicked. I saw a meme actually today. It said, rest in peace to the USD. I thought that was kind of funny. But I fully think the USD is going to continue to fall this week. It's going to probably get to this level right here of support, and it's probably going to reverse. Probably like Wednesday or Thursday. But nevertheless, I think the USD is going to fall at least to this level of support right here. But with that being said, back to my 2 to 3 trades per week. So when the market opened yesterday, you can see the USD started to continue with the downtrend. It's been actually falling for the past 1, 2, 3. It's been falling all month. Actually, the USD has been taking a beating all month, right? So how do I join into this? How do I take part of this continuation move was the question. So having my bias with this trade, I went over to the 4-hour time frame. And on yesterday, on the 4-hour, we would have been on this candle right here, right? But I know on the 4-hour, I'm probably not going to get the pullback that I need to go into the trade. Simply meaning, one trade entry that I use a pullback entry. While I wait for price to pull back, give me a better price, and then I hop in to follow along with the already existing trend. So what I would do is my price would be about here that I want to get into the trade. My entry would be here to go short, to sell. I'll wait for a pullback, tag me in, and then I would hopefully the trade will continue back in the overall direction down. But I can tell on the 4-hour time frame, I probably won't get a pullback. Probably wouldn't give me a pullback. So I had to drop to the 1 hour. And actually I took 2 positions. I took 2 positions in this trade. So let's talk about the pullback entry. Price had came out. It was about on this candle right here. I saw prices going down. This would be a late entry, right? So what I said was this was a level that was broken. I put an entry right here. Price was about here. I said if it comes back, tag me in. I'll go ahead and follow the price down, right? What happens if it never comes back? To ensure I'll be able to take part of this move down, I put a sell stop entry here. This is my sell stop order right here, right? Here's what the sell stop order is saying. So the first entry was a sell limit order. Price came up, tagged me in to follow the move. The sell stop order I put in was, I simply want to see price prove me right. So if price is here, I put an order right here. If you break this level right here and you keep going short, put me in. Prove to me that I'm in the right direction. Price broke this level right here, kept going short. So back to what I was saying in the beginning of the video. You only need 2 to 3 good trades per week to make a good living trading Forex. So if this trade hits its take profit, that'll be about 80 pips for that move. Let's say about 100 pips for that move. So that's 180 pips that I made so far this week. If, of course, barring that the trade doesn't turn around and hit the stop loss, the USD stiffens up. But if it all goes well, and we never know when it comes to trading, that'll be 180 pips. So that's back to me saying, so this would be the first trade that I've taken for the week. The reason why I'm only calling it one trade and I got 2 positions is because I split my positions up, right? So this is 2% per trade. This position is worth 1%. This position is worth another 1%, right? So what happens? I see prices gaining momentum. It's going down. It's doing well. It's strengthening up. I may close out one position and just let another position continue to run. So I'll go to the daily time frame, go to the weekly, take one of the take profits and bring the take profit down here and just let the trade continue to run for as long as it can. I'll close one position out, secure 1%, bring the stop loss to break even, and then just let the other position just run. See what happens. So that's a strategy that I may take on this trade. Because if you go to the weekly time frame, you're far away from that, from the weekly, for the monthly level of support. You never know what's going on with this USD. But that's just one trade I want to just go over with you guys. I will be looking for a couple more trades. I actually wrote them down somewhere. I think it's the Swiss franc JPY and the... let me not start guessing. But, yep, that's one trade for the week. Just want to go with you guys. All right, we out. Forex King.